In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star or highlight emails for quick access in Gmail. Starring emails is a simple but powerful way to keep important messages from getting lost in a crowded inbox. Instead of scrolling and searching every time you need a specific email, you can mark it with a star and pull it up instantly later on. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step, and explain what's happening along the way. First, open your Gmail inbox in your web browser and make sure you're looking at your list of emails. On each email line, you'll see several small icons. Focus your attention on the very left side of that row. You should see a faint empty star icon sitting just beside the sender's name or subject line. This is the control we're going to use to highlight your messages. To start an email, simply move your mouse over that empty star, then click it once. As soon as you click, the star should change color, usually turning solid yellow or gold. That color change is your confirmation that the email has been starred. You don't need to open the message to do this. You can star it directly from the inbox view, which makes it very fast to mark multiple messages. You can repeat this for any emails you want to keep track of. Important receipts, work messages, personal notes you need to respond to later, or anything you don't want to forget. If you ever change your mind, you can click the star again and it will return to its empty state, which means the email is no longer starred. Now that you've starred some emails, let's talk about how to find them quickly. At the left side of your Gmail screen, you'll see a list of sections such as Inbox, Sent, and maybe a few others, depending on your setup. Look through that list until you find the one labeled Starred. Go ahead and click on Starred. Once you click it, Gmail will switch to a special view that shows only the emails you've starred. This acts like a focused, custom inbox of your most important messages. Anytime you start a new email, it will automatically appear in this starred section, and if you remove a star, it will disappear from this list but stay safely in your regular inbox. That's all you need to start using stars in Gmail. Click the star beside an email to highlight it, and open the starred section on the left side to quickly access all of your important messages in one place.